Hello everybody. Today I'm going to give you an introduction about the Thermo fine pipette F2 type. This is a completely CE certified product and we have different models ranges here. In that I'll just introduce these boxes and also maybe unbox one kit for you, because all these have a different ranges but it's all going to be the same contents and same type. Let me show you what I got for you here. This is the different boxes and you got let me see, fine pipette F2 model 1 to 100 ml, and then you got 10 to 100 ml, and you got F2 20 to 200 ml and 100 to 1000 ml. Here it is. There are 4 boxes here, 4 models that we have got. This is the different boxes. Here are the different boxes. Basically the packing and the so very same. So what I'll do is I'll just show you one box around. You can see the box. It says Thermo fine pipette 100 to 1000 ml and CE certified. You have the part numbers you can see in the Thermo website. And this is how the box looks like. Like 100. Okay, this is the different models. So probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox one model for you. Let's pick one model. Let's take the 1 to 10 ml type. This is F2 model. Okay, here it is. Let me unbox this. Let me keep this comfortably. Okay, that's good. Let me here it is. Let me quickly introduce these contents. If you look at inside the box, there is a Pipette calibration report. You got it. There's a Pipette calibration report. Okay, let's keep it here. And then what you got here is a warranty certificate. Just keeping it down here. And then you have a user manual. The Pipette manual is here. You got the manual. And you got the guidance for the different types of tips with the Thermo Fisher models, the fin tips that can be used. Let me go inside the box. Inside the box you got the you got the pipette. Here's the main pipette. You can see the main pipette. It clearly says register for your free extended warranty. Once you use the part number and get it registered, and that helps you to have the warranty. This model, if you see, it's okay, let me go. Okay, here it is. So you can see the model. It's 1 to 10 ml liquid. You can pick using this. This is how it looks like. And these tips you change according your filter tips. Accordingly you change. So for different ranges of the model box that is there, this particular range is going to vary. This sticker, once you remove it, you can see the liquid range shown here actually. So this is for you. Okay, I'll keep it down here. And what else we got here? Let me check. Okay, one second. Okay, we got a toolkit for using in the pipette. There's another toolkit we have. Yeah, it's basically to for your screwing and unscrewing and dismantling the pipette. And what else you got here? Let me see. Okay, just here. Okay, we got yeah, we got another product. Let me take it. It's so difficult to take it. Yes, I got it. Okay, it's safely kept inside. So there is a thermoscientific grease. Yeah, here it is. There's a grease pack to use it. So if you look at for this pack, you can see what you got inside the pack is there is one calibration report, the manual, the manual, and your warranty certificate, and the tip guidance and the part numbers, and the main pipette, and you got the toolkit, and you got the grease. This is the total content of the product for you. Thank you.